Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my blooper reel of my Sabotage series. If you guys aren't familiar with my Sabotage series, I will have that linked below in the description. I will also have it in the cards up above at about a minute into the video, so you guys can see more about that if you're interested. But basically, you guys just tell me what to do during a live stream, and I will do whatever makes me laugh the most or what is the absolute worst thing to do to my face. And you guys get to sabotage my face. And it's actually a lot of fun because this beauty community is full of drama and we need some fun sometimes. So basically, this is just a recap of what happened. And I hope you guys enjoy it because, sorry. Hi, oh, what was that? I had a stroke. Oh, I'm good. Oh, you're not asking me. I'm also good. Girl, we about to get real pretty up in here. I need a vacation. Oh my god. There's way too much drama happening in the beauty community. Okay, so just living my best life, having a stroke over here. Commernator. Commernator. Should we do backwards order today? Yeah, we could do backwards order. What do I do last? Hold on, what do I do last? Alright, we're gonna do setting spray first. Oh, I have a fan, so it's my computer is also going to be set today. Like where you can actually see droplets? I got you. I need to spit. Let's do a bright lipstick and let's dab it in the center with some concealer. Do a green lip liner. Oh, so sexy. Oh, that is so, like, yes. I mean, come on, perfect. It looked like a watermelon. Oh, this is terrible. Just a little tap. A little taparoo. Oh, that's cute. This is terrible. It looks nice. It does not. I'm sorry, Alexandra. I can't math eater. I also can't talk. Oh, I've got a beautiful gold highlight because we're beautiful here. I'm so organized. Oh, the puppy's cute. He likes to bite ankles and he likes the taste of human flesh. Purple and gold. Okay. This looks terrible. You're welcome. Oh, that is not a good look. Oh my, I am shiny. I'm something, that's for sure. Blue glitter. Okay, so you guys pick a palette and I will do an upside down look, including the eyeliner and everything. My cheeks look like lava? Oh, I don't know if that's a good thing. Well, this one is not one. That's patchy. This is terrible quality. So yeah, lipstick brows. What color lipstick do you guys want on my brows? Let's do pink and red brows, y'all. Yes. Yeah, Fenty and whatever that brand is. Oh yeah, I mean, why did I just sound like I'm from Wisconsin? We got stuff to do in these absolutely beautiful brows. Like, this needs to be a thing. This is so easy to apply. Trendsetter? Yeah, I mean, look at my face. This is all about the blend. We are going to do a beautiful, smoky something. Hey, eye bags. Hey, girl. Hey. Hey, girl. Hey. This is like the best blend ever. Oh. Crystal Flush apparently burns too. Oh. Ah. Perfect. You're not as old as me, I bet. Oh, yes, look at that wing. Oh, yeah, perfect. Sorry, my shirt is falling off. We're not gonna do that here on this channel. Nope. Lashes on my eyebrows. I could do lashes on my eyebrows. I mean, these eyebrows need some lashes. They're pretty intense. My face is gonna be stained for like 18 days. And I'm going in with the same disgusting Demi Wispies as I did last week. Ew! You guys! This is from last week. Do you guys see how nasty that is? Well, that's a new sensation. The community. Who's my community clown? Just your local community clown. Clown guru. Oh, well, that didn't work at all. Nailed it. We started with the last thing. Well, that didn't work. Look how beautiful these are. I mean, they're so long. They're perfect. Just add more hair to your face and you look beautiful. A purple contour butt chin. I can do a purple butt chin. Oh my god. Dark setting powder. So we're just gonna do this one. How rude. Just stay. Like, that's not... You have one job, eyelash. Contour. Were we doing purple contour? Contour my smile lines? Okay. I can do that. And see who my real friends are here. Strong jawline. Okay, I got you. I got you. Let me just do these smile lines here because someone knows my insecurities. I mean, they... What did you do to me? This is terrible. This is... Oh my god! I look so bad! Y'all suck. I look 85 years old. Y'all want me to have a strong jawline. Jasmine is out for blood. Well, first off, do you see that? Like, that's me. That's what I need my chin to look like. Angelina Jolie is just quaking in her boots. Boom. Like, you wish you were this. I need a tinier brush for the butt chin, because, like, that's precise. Oh! It's flapping in the wind! Oh, I need like sexy montage music. Hey, I did just come from a clown convention. Did you guys... Can you guys hear that? Careless whispers. Off to... Alright, there we go. Oh, this lash is something else. Where do I put concealer? Like, I guess under here? We're gonna put it right here. There we go, concealer. Right up. Concealer.
What are you doing? And
yeah, they did it to me. All my friends. This is what friends do to each other. Community clown. Alright, you guys. That is this week's episode. And I will have my dog is just eating my ear right now. So he's just here, puppy. Thanks for tuning in. I mean, this is so good. You guys did me dirty. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!